Hello friends and my dear students, welcome back to your English Math Fun. I am Azizur Rahman, your friend and teacher to my students. Hope you are all good and doing well. In this video, I will take some algebraic expressions and I will explain whether the algebraic expressions are polynomials or not. And also this video is very useful for the students preparing for DSC and competitive exams. Okay, let's start it. Please like, share and subscribe your English Math Fun and hit the notification button. Students, these are all not polynomials. X power minus 3, 1 by x, root x and x power 2 by 3. If you want to understand clearly, you should know some formulas. A power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. 1 by a is equal to a power minus 1. 1 by a means a has the power 1. Okay. Next, root x is equal to x power 1 by 2. Let's move towards the first one. First, second, third, fourth. First one, x power minus 3. X power minus 3 is not a polynomial because the variable x has the negative power. If there is a negative power, if you find the negative exponent, you can say that this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Second one, 1 by x. 1 by x, in 1 by x, x is in denominator's place. If you find x in denominator's place, we can say that this is not a polynomial because 1 by x can be written as x power minus 1. Again, we have got negative power. We have got negative exponent. Okay, this is also not a polynomial. Third one, root x. Root x is also not a polynomial because root x can be written as x power 1 by 2. X, the variable x has the rational number. The exponent of the variable x is rational number. Okay, if you find negative numbers or rational numbers as exponents, you can say that this is not a polynomial. Fourth one, x power 2 by 3. The exponent is a rational number. Again, we have got the rational number in exponent's place. So, you can say that this is not a polynomial. State which of the following are polynomials and which are not. Give reasons. First one, 2x cube. 2x cube is a polynomial. By looking at the expression, you can say that this is a polynomial because the exponent is whole number. The exponent is whole number. So, you can say that this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial because it satisfies the condition. It satisfies the conditions. You can write. Second one, 1 by x. 1 by x is not a polynomial. Simply by looking at the expression, you can say that this is not a polynomial because the variable is in the denominator's place and this denominator will become x power minus 1. 1 by x can be written as x power minus 1. Again, we have got the negative exponent. Okay, you can write this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial because the variable has negative exponent. Third one, 4z square plus 1 by 7. We can say that this is a polynomial because it satisfies all the conditions. The exponent to the variable z is whole number. If you find the whole number as exponents, you can say that this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. Fourth one, m square minus root 2m. M square minus root 2m. Observe this variable, observe this expression. Is there any negative exponent? No. Is there any variable in the denominator's place? No. So this is a polynomial. It satisfies all the conditions. This is a polynomial. Fifth one, p power minus 2 plus 1. You can easily say that this is not a polynomial because the exponent is negative integer. Okay, this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial because the exponent is negative integer. Sixth one, root x square. Is root x square a polynomial or not? Let us check. Root x square can be written as x square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Okay. Now multiply the powers 2 into 1 by 2. X power 2 into 1 by 2 can be written as 2 by 2. And x power 2 by 2 is 1. The exponent is whole number. So this is a polynomial. Okay. This is a polynomial. Seventh one. Please like, share and subscribe AR English Math Fun and hit the notification button. Under root x cube. Is under root x cube a polynomial or not? Let us check. I will write under root x cube as x cube whole to the power of 1 by 2. X cube whole to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to x to the power of 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2. The variable x has the exponent rational number. The exponent is rational number. If we get the rational number in exponent's place, we can say that this is not a polynomial. Eighth one, phi. Is phi a polynomial or not? Phi is a polynomial. But you may have doubt that there is no variable. I will say that there is a variable x power 0. Phi into x power 0. What is the value of x power 0? X power 0 is equal to 1. Phi into 1. Again we have got phi. So writing x power 0 doesn't matter. Again we will get the same value. So we have written phi only. Actually we have to write phi into 0, phi into x power 0. Have you got this? Phi into x power 0 is equal to phi. So this is a polynomial. Ninth one, root x power phi. Under root x power phi can be written as x power phi whole to the power of 1 by 2. X power phi whole to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to x to the power of 5 by 2. Again the exponent is rational number, so this is not a polynomial. Ninth one, x square plus 1 by x. You can easily say that the variable part is in denominator's place. So this is not a polynomial. You can write this expression as x square plus x to the power of minus 1. Again we have got the negative part, the negative exponent. The exponent is negative integer. So we can write that this is not a polynomial. 11th one, x to the power of minus 3 minus 3x plus 1. Directly you can say that this is not a polynomial because the exponent is negative integer. The exponent is negative integer. This is not a polynomial. Last one, 2x square minus 3 root x plus 1. Root x is not allowed in the polynomial because root x is equal to x power 1 by 2. The exponent will be rational number. You can write 2x square minus 3x power minus 1 plus 1. Again we have got the negative power. So this is also not a polynomial. Students, this is the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I suggest all of you to learn the formulas and know the rules. Okay, if you know the rules, you can easily solve whether these are polynomials or not. If you don't know the formulas, if you don't know the rule, okay, you cannot be able to solve the problems. So I suggest all of you to watch the video again and again, practice on a white sheet paper, then you will get a lot of knowledge. Okay, I will come back soon, students, with many more videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.